There's another one. What we got here is another V8 in Anvil gray. That's that Mopar color. This is a V8 Tremec 3-speed. Yeah, you can load that one. We're gonna load the tan one. We'll get a little shot of this one leaving. Alrighty. This one's a nice color. We've done quite a few of these. Everyone loves this. This has the V8 304 Patriot headers, power booster. We have power steering. All of them we're doing with power steering, new steering boxes. We're using the Moore steering bracket that goes on the steering box to stiffen up the steering. We got these cool custom steps that we've made up for the shop. Heavy duty, made in USA. We got the made in USA US wheels on this one. This one has some 33-12-5 Wrangler tires on it. A little bit of a custom on the seats. A little custom pattern, a little diamond plate with the gray. We got the full dash with the speed hut gauges, center console box. We've got the deck in there, lock box, Polk Marine speakers. Got the chrome O shit bar, spray on bed liner on the floors, all new painless wiring, lifetime warranty on the gauges, 24-month unlimited mileage on the engine. We've got putting brake-in miles on this right now. And we did a CJ-7 this color. We did 3 other CJ-7s in this color, 6 cylinders and V8s, couple with hard tops. This is no AC and a bimini top. If you want a soft top, we can put one on. You want half doors, we can make that happen. This has the extended fuel tank in it for extra gallonage. Down low, you can see it's a little bit, I think this one is like a 20-gallon tank. Don't quote me if I'm off a gallon, but it's definitely bigger than the stock. I forgot on this one what it actually was. But you can see how legible the dash is with those gauges. And it's got a yeah, it's awesome. Let me walk you around. We got the chrome windshield knobs, stainless exhaust on this. This is one of the original brand new licensed steel bodies made in USA, licensed by Mopar. Better than the originals. Full bed liner. Got the rocker moldings, the factory rocker moldings underneath this mint. All spray on bed liner. Got the roll bar. Got the GPS. So you can have the exact mileage, whatever size tires you're going on, it'll always be right. Got the antenna, electric antenna for the tunes. Tremec 3-speed, 1-to-1 on gear number 3. Real nice rig. This will make somebody a nice Jeep. This is a 79. And we're breaking it in, torquing everything down. Make sure she's good to go. We'll see you guys on the next video. Hit me up if you're looking for a build. if you have a Jeep, we only do full bills, frame off, everything new. That way you know what you're getting. Got 45 years experience, and I got a couple good guys that work with me that have been doing it a long time. Each year we take some high-end muscle cars too. You know, we're doing a couple 69 Mustangs, full new bodies with roadster shop chassis, stroker motors. One's got a Roush motor going in. So these Jeeps are just a fun little project for us. We're doing quite a few of these. We're building another 20 right now. Hit me up if you're ready. We'll make it happen for you. These aren't cheap, but they're done right. You don't want to waste money. You want it done right so you're not throwing away good hard-earned money. Made in USA. By USA workers, USA wheels, USA rims. We use Canadian stainless pipe. Everything else, Eldenbrock, USA parts. Gauges built in USA, wiring made in USA, if you get my point. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one, guys. John Russo, Palm Beach Custom.